今日は、ボーリングの300パーフェクトゲームについて。Well, I haven't given up the 300 perfect game yet, although it is quite clear that for me it's so difficult. This target is so far away because normally, if you want to make the 300 games regularly, within 1 month, you have to get the 6 burgers. That means half of the 12 strikes. But in my case, this 6 burger, the front 6 burger is much easier than the back or after or how do you say, from 7th to 12th. This latter half of 6 burgers is much more difficult. Maybe 10 times difficult, because normally when I look at those who make the 300 games player, they make the half 6 burgers regularly. Regularly means several times in a month, but in my case, once a year or twice a year. So this is how difficult it is. Well, I have been fighting with my body conditions. My condition is very, very bad and difficult. Instead of improving, the going downward is faster. Keeping the even condition is very difficult. Particularly this summer, the heat and moisture was very, very high, and because of this, I was not able to get a good sleep. More often than not, I woke up within 2 hours, and the first 2 hours or 3 hours is very, very important for the quality of the sleeping. But for me, it's very difficult to get the good quality of sleeping. Even I use the air condition, because not only the temperature, but also this moisture and how much I wear, in the room when I'm in the bed. So it's very, very difficult. I cannot figure out how, I can get a good sleep. This summer particularly was difficult. It was difficult. And other than the sleeping quality, I've been doing all right about the food and drinks, I guess. I have been taking care of the good food and drinks. And also the other one is exercise. Exercise I do, in order to improve my lower power. I started table tennis once a week and changed to the soft table tennis or large ball table tennis, so that I can catch up with the other trainees. When I was playing the hard type or normal type of table tennis, I wasn't able to catch up with them, and I was so exhausted. So I changed to the softball, large ball table tennis club. Still, this is very hard for me, so I retire half of the training. Normally 3 hours, but I retire 1 hour or 1.5 hours. That was enough for me. Other than this, I will have more trouble than improve my physical condition. And also medical check. As I said before, I commute to the Healthstrong place already 4 months, and the first 4 months without absence even once. And I started going to the Sekkotsuin again because Healthstrong cannot improve my shoulder joint or muscle. So I thought maybe I better go to the massage, to receive the massage and how to say, the softening my muscles by the massage or stretching the muscles. And I know, if I talk about this 300 game to the play friends, of course they are laughing in themselves because it's far beyond my ability these days. So I know that, but if I say I give up, then it's the time I quit the bowling. So so far I never say I will give up 300 games.